District Educational Office, Mehboobabaad. Digital Lessons by Brahmam Tadkamalla, School Assistant English, ZPHS, Jamallapalli, Mehboobabaad. SSC 2020-21 Batch, English, DG and Grammar PPT. Dear children, today I will discuss about the nouns. Kinds of nouns. Usually nouns are divided into two main groups. One is abstract noun, second is concrete nouns. Abstract nouns can be perceived but cannot be touched or seen. They express or indicate a quality, state or process, action, idea, etc. For example, quality: goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, honesty, wisdom, bravery, etc. Action: judgment, hatred, movement, etc. State: childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, death, poverty, etc. Note: the names of the arts and science are also abstract nouns. Example: grammar, music, chemistry, etc. Now, let us discuss about the concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the words used for things and persons that can be perceived, touched, or seen. Example: a table, a tiger, a boy, a girl, etc. Concrete nouns can be subdivided into four groups. Number one is proper noun, number two is common noun, number three material noun, number four collective noun. Example: Sachin Tendulkar is a player. He is in Indian team. He has great power. I think he drinks milk. The same sentence in the same sentence you see Sachin Tendulkar is a proper noun. PN means proper noun. Is a player. Player is a common noun. He is in Indian team. Team is a collective noun. He has great power. Great is abstract noun. I think he drinks milk. Milk is material noun. So like this we can identify the nouns in the given sentence. Next I will go for the proper noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of same particular person, place or thing. Example: Shashi, Mehboobabaad, Reynolds, Africa, Ford car, Brook Bronte, etc. Note: proper noun begins with a capital letter. Now second one is common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. For example, Ramesh, Rahim, Salim, Rangareddy, Somla Nayak. All these are the boys. Now if you observe Sita, Hema, Nalini, Jyoti, Laila, girls. Reynolds, Alltech, Adgel, Cellophane, Fine Grip, Linkos and Gel. These are the pens. Note: some proper nouns can be used as common nouns also. For example, he is a Hercules, a very strong man. He is a Nero, a very cruel person. Valmiki is the Homer of India, the greatest epic poet. Material noun. This is third one. A material noun is the name of some material or substance which is supposed to have no separate parts. For example, coal, milk, iron, copper, gold, stone, water, etc. Next one is collective noun. That is fourth one. A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Example: crowd, mob, team, flock, herd, army, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee, etc. Now, kinds of nouns. Nouns are divided into, I told you already, proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Again, nouns can be subdivided into two kinds. One is countable noun, second is uncountable nouns. Again, the countable nouns are subdivided into singular nouns and plural nouns. Like this, a complete data about the nouns. This is for the sake of your information, and please note that these are the types of nouns. Thank you one and all.